Detail, north 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Hey, let me turn this down.
Winds 5 to 10 knots.
This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I want to show you some more stuff about this ZWHIS, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, ZWS-905 emergency radio. Oh, by the way, it's spelled ZHIWHIS. I misspelled it in the previous video. What a dummy. Okay, here's what it comes with. It comes with a charging cord, USB, for charging the internal battery or using the internal battery to charge like your cell phone. Comes with that. Comes with a carabiner and a compass. The compass attaches to the carrying straps. And a very nice detailed manual. Very nice manual. Halfway decent sized print so I can read it. So I wanted to show you some of the other bands. And right now I'm on NOAA weather. We can turn the volume back up. And let me put my camera up so you can see the radio a little better. And I'll move it closer. And we're going to turn the volume up. We're doing that.
15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2
Very
to
clear.
4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Wednesday, south winds around 15
I'm going
knots.
to tune up. Can't get that one. That one's really weak. Nothing.
No
That was
precipitation
good.
fell yesterday.
So we got 2 and a 10th stations. We turn the volume back down. So that works well. Now let's go to the other band. Let's see, there's FM. I do not want to tune FM. It's too much on that I'm not supposed to record, so I'm not going to tune FM. I'm just going to tell you that I did a ATS, automatic tuning and storing, and it found like 40 stations. 40 stations. And that's all the stations that are within 40 miles of me. So it found them all. So did great on FM. AM did good. I can actually show you some of that. Turn the volume back up. Now it is directional. So see, I have to turn it to the side. We're at 470, and I'll tune up. There is a pause. Whoops. Whoop. There's that music. Oh, yeah, I got to get away from that. Okay, I'm going to play it safe, and I'm just going to tell you, it did a good job on AM, but it is directional like most AM radios. So it did a good job. It did an excellent job on FM, and it did get 2 in a week, 1 week station on NOAA out of the 7, which is what I normally get even using an external antenna. So it did good there too. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.